I'm from Heartsounds Mother and Infant Care. We're a nonprofit that provides specialized postpartum support services to moms who are feeling anxious or overwhelmed after the birth of a new baby. With support from individuals and foundations like the Women's Foundation, we're able to provide even more specialized postpartum support services to moms and babies in need in Tucson. Thanks to the Women's Foundation, we're able to provide these services free of charge to women who are lower income and who need this extra support. So thank you so much to the Women's Foundation and all of those who support the great work that they do.